Deep in the magical forest of Willow Wood, a cheerful raccoon named Riley was bubbling with excitement. Today wasn't just any day. It was the grand day of the forest talent show. Riley zipped around with his notepad. We need singers, dancers, and jugglers. Oh, and fireworks. Wait, maybe not the fireworks? He first visited Bella the bunny, who loved to tap dance. Will you perform, Bella? Bella did a happy twirl. Only if I can wear my sparkly shoes? Next was Toby the Tortoise. Riley wasn't sure what talent he had. Toby smiled slowly. I play the harmonica. The harmonica? Riley blinked. That's perfect. Soon, all the animals had joined. Penny the Peacock was designing costumes, Squeaky the Squirrel juggled acorns, and Freddy the Frog practiced his karate kicks. On imaginary flies, of course. The rehearsal was going great, until a surprise thunderstorm rolled in. Oh no, cried Bella. The stage is soaked. We'll never dry out in time, moaned Freddy, wearing a soggy headband. Riley took a deep breath. Let's not give up. We'll move the show inside the old hollow tree. Working together, the animals dried the bark floors, strung up mushrooms for lights, and hung leaves like curtains. When evening came, the tree glowed like a lantern. Bella tap-danced with Sparkle, Toby played his harmonica like a forest lullaby, and Freddy's fly-kicking finale brought the house down. Well, not literally. At the end, Riley stepped on stage beaming. This show wasn't about being perfect. It was about having fun and doing it together. And from that night on, Willow Wood hosted the Forest Talent Show every month, come rain or shine.